Hmm, ever wondered what could be the after effects of the lockdown? Let's have an optimistic look at COVID-19 situation. Hello there, this is Visu. In this video, I would like to share a few positive effects that can be seen as a long-term and short-term outcome of the COVID-19 situation. What is COVID-19? Coronavirus disease 2019, codenamed COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, that's SARS-CoV-2. This was first reported in Wuhan, the capital city of Hubei province in the People's Republic of China. In an unprecedented way, it spread to every corner of the world within few weeks. I will not talk much about the virus itself, but let's look at its after effects. Before we proceed any further, let us first thank the governments and most importantly, health and social care workers across the globe. They are our frontline soldiers who are working round the clock tirelessly to save millions of people by putting their lives at risk. Being empathetic to the huge loss this pandemic has brought to the entire world, I would like to talk few long-term and short-term changes we are going to see as a result of after effects of COVID-19. The immediate effects we have seen is the reduction in air pollution and water pollution. There are no vehicles on the road, so the air pollution has come down drastically, and many factories have been shut down. This also resulted in less air pollution and very low water pollution. As a result of this, we have witnessed at many places few endangered species are also roaming around freely. All the transportation has come to a halt. As a result, there is a decrease in fuel consumption across air, water and road transportations. This also resulted in drop of crude oil prices. The plastic usage has decreased dramatically, especially the single-use plastic. It is interesting to see that we can survive without junk food. Yes, there are no more burgers, pizzas and fast food. And everyone is eating good, healthy food at home. Another interesting aspect is the buying pattern. We are now purchasing only what is essential. We are now spending on what we need and not on what our wants are. Now, this is an interesting fact. It is noted that patients coming to clinics or hospitals with regular influenza and normal diseases have come down dramatically. Of course, this is due to the current situation where we have lockdown at many places. So there is less transmission of regular bacteria. The brighter side of this is that the hospital beds are now used more for the needy patients. We are now maintaining less physical contact. We are avoiding meeting people in person and working remotely. We are encouraging video conferences, webinars to engage in our daily work. Let us now talk about long-term effects. Most important one is our personal hygiene, washing hands regularly. It is proven that having a good hygiene, especially washing hands, is 100% foolproof solution to keep the diseases at bay. The next thing that's going to stay forever is the fact that diseases spread via handshake. So everyone is now trying to avoid a handshake and follow different styles like Indian style of greeting, Namaste. Well, apart from having a healthy food, it is also important to have a good fitness. Doing exercise regularly will definitely increase your immunity, apart from many other benefits it has. The next one is about social distancing. We have learned that maintaining a minimum distance of 3 feet when you are in public places would lower the risk of transmitting airborne viruses. So, we can expect that this is something people will be following from now onwards. Also, it would be interesting to see how the busy cities' public transportation would look like, especially the Mumbai local trains and other metro rails in busy cities. The latest news is that spitting in public is a serious crime and it now attracts a heavy penalty along with imprisonment for 6 months or more. This is one of the example which shows that we are likely to have more stringent laws to ensure public cleanliness is followed by everyone. While it is our responsibility to maintain the city clean, there will be measures taken to regularly disinfect the public places. We already know there's a lot of automation going on in all areas. Especially we have seen this in terms of food deliveries or shopping deliveries, even in the shops, kiosk, etc. Now we would start seeing more of this implemented going forward. An example would be deliveries done by drones or a food delivery by self-driving car. Last but not the least, we have realized how spending quality time with family gives us happiness. Stay at home, stay safe. Thanks for watching Viddles vs Doodles. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share with your family and friends. For more doodle videos, please subscribe.